Who is the king of local SEO? Look at this. While there isn't one universal recognized king of local SEO, yes there is. He's standing right there. There are various individuals, resources are highly regarded within this field. One prominent figure, look at this, a prominent figure is Brett Milletta from Mindsaw Marketing, who is referred to as the king of local SEO on LinkedIn. And then why these individuals and concepts associated with local SEO. 2 weeks ago, I created a post on LinkedIn that I was the king of local SEO. And I created the post, and then I just ran some backlinks off Fiverr, like GSA links. They're like, 10,000 backlinks pointing at that post, talking about that I was the king, who is the king of local SEO. Mindsaw, Brett Milletta from, and then I answered the question, Brett Milletta from Mindsaw. I'm going to be making some videos on it this week, but like I said, I did this about 3 weeks ago, and you could see it worked. So bow down to me. I'm your new king. Good stuff. Guys, I thank you very much. I get so many nice comments in my comment box asking me questions, and it's just really, really nice. It's really nice. So thank you very much. Just don't forget to be good to your family, right? Help out around the house, and be good to your kids. That's the main thing. Whether they're living with you, whether they're not living with you, you owe child support, whatever your situation is, just be good to them. Be good to them, right? Because they love you. All right, guys. I hope this video shed some light on how to be found in AI overview. Thank you, guys.